Reports from local media on April 14 indicate that flooding continues to wreak havoc in Russia's Orenburg and Kurgan oblasts, which sit on the border with Kazakhstan. The city of Orenburg has been particularly hard hit, with at least 120,000 people evacuated from the two oblasts and neighboring regions of northern Kazakhstan. The swelling waters of the Ural River, stretched beyond their limits, breached a crucial dam in Orsk on April 5, marking the onset of a catastrophic chain of events. As the floodwaters surged downstream, they inundated Orenburg with unparalleled ferocity. Over 3,000 homes, once bastions of tranquility, now lie submerged beneath the relentless tide, prompting urgent pleas for mass evacuations. With the city's population exceeding 500,000, the urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. Emergency responders have noted that water levels in the Ural River are dangerously high, surpassing the 2-meter mark. Floodwaters have inundated the embankment promenade and surrounded residential buildings, including high-rise apartments situated near the river. Some locals have resorted to using rubber dinghies to rescue pets and salvage belongings from flooded homes, while power outages have left certain areas in darkness. The rising waters are also posing a threat to southern regions of western Siberia, home to the world's largest hydrocarbon basin, as well as areas near the Volga, Europe's longest river. Authorities anticipate that water levels in other Russian regions will reach their peak within the next fortnight, exacerbating the ongoing crisis.